But this is our old generator. It normally works really well when we need it, but it has refused to start. So when I prime it, you'll note that the little fuel filter is filling up with fuel. The fuel isn't particularly brilliant, but I'm guessing that the fuel has varnished up the carburetor. Crack that fuel drain plug on the carb. See if there's any fuel in the carb, which there is. I can feel it coming out now. Put that back in so I don't lose it. Right, and underneath is another plug, bolt, which is the bolt that holds the bowl on. It's off, so this should gently come off. There is a fair bit of crap in there, and I really don't want to lose this O-ring or damage it, because I haven't got another one. It's meant to have a little rubber, oh, it has, just a little rubber valve there. We can clean that in a bit. See if we can get the inside of this bowl a bit cleaner. Okay, so we've got various components out. This one was a bit blocked, but I've cleared that. So I'm just going to check all these little holes on this, and then we'll see if we can get things back together. So I'm just using the finest sewing needle that we've got in Maxine's sewing collection. I think we're back together. The hardest bit was getting the old O-ring to seat back in there to make the bowl petrol proof. If this works, I'll be amazed. Okay then, that's well worth a few minutes work, so all up and running again. Fantastic.